Hi everyone. Sorry, but internet. So I'm gonna again try and get the guest into the conversation. So otherwise, everybody hopes up ठीक ठाक है. How's life treating everyone? Sorry for that. Hi Jitin.
Hi, hi.
Hi, can you hear me? All good?
I can hear you. Yes, thank you.
Awesome. कैसे हैं आप? All well?
So far, so good.
Okay. Thank you so much for
How?
accepting the invitation and coming on live. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for having
So,
me.
क्या scene है? I heard you guys are going into a lockdown again, or apparently the lockdown has started.
It will
Evening?
start at 8 p.m. today, and
Okay.
from till 30th April, then yeah, there is restricted movement all through. So
Okay.
it's
Okay.
down only, but at least they've been very careful this time. I think they've opened a lot of essential services, transport, everything. So
Okay.
you can do basic movement, but otherwise, yeah, we'll have to be at home otherwise, most of
I
the time.
know. We just got the good news कि cinema खुल रहा है, movies are we're gonna get back into it, and then again
But
this happened. It's
it
sad,
is
but
very sad. I mean, we
sure.
were just getting back on our feet again, and again it's
Exactly.
actually
I mean, we're running on 50% capacity, but we were really excited when Ruhi released in Mumbai Saga. 50% capacity was also full, so people are actually wanting to go back and watch the
we
films
were.
and
I mean, I think only time will tell. Honestly, how will the whole thing change us as an industry?
true,
Yeah.
true. So बस दुआ कर सकते हैं सबके लिए. And of course,
True.
requesting people also कि please guys mask पहन लो. सबकी इसमें सबकी बेहतरी है.
Yeah.
So that's all. Great. So I've got lots of fan questions, and of course, मैंने आपके सारे seasons देखे हैं. Your latest film, Life is Short, as well, and I've been following you for a while. And you have a
Thank you.
lots of fan in Dubai. In fact, आपके कुछ fans ने ही मुझे Inside Edge recommend की थी. And that's when I watched season 2, and I was addicted. Then I went to season 2, and I was like, wow. Then I started following everything. So, mashallah, you're
Thank
doing a fantastic job, and you have lots of fans in Dubai. And बहुत सारे questions भी आए उनकी तरफ से. So, if you allow me, I'll start my questions.
Please, please, please.
Awesome. Okay. So obviously this is mainly for the people in Middle East and Dubai. तो अगर हम शुरू से start करेंगे, how did your acting career start? या आपने सोचा बस acting करूँगा मैं? This is what I want.
नहीं, मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. मैं आई थिंक एक्टिंग का जो कीड़ा था वो बचपन से था. मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं कुछ फिल्म देखकर या कोई एक इवेंट नहीं है लाइफ में जहाँ पे acting happened to me. I always wanted to be an actor.
Okay.
But I belong to a middle class family. My father was in the Navy, Indian Navy, and मैं पला बड़ा फरीदाबाद में हुआ हूँ. तो वहाँ पे acting is not seen as a viable career. वहाँ पे या
Okay.
तो बिजनेस लोग या सर्विस करते हैं लार्जली.
True.
मतलब बॉम्बे
True.
फिर भी मैंने देखा कि पीपल आर मेकिंग अ लिविंग आउट ऑफ दिस प्रोफेशन.
Hmm.
तो फिर वही मतलब ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज ऑलवेज ऑन स्टेज इन माय लाइफ. जहाँ मैं स्कूल कॉलेज आई वाज ऑलवेज ऑन स्टेज बट and I always wanted to make this as a career, but there were no avenues, and therefore I started doing a job. I worked in a foreign bank for close to 9 years, and while I was working, I was training to be an actor, and then I got my posting from that bank to Bombay. And from Bombay aake I started auditioning, and I started meeting people, and I started circulating my photographs, and that's how the journey started.
Okay. Brilliant. And I'm so glad that this is what you are into now and
Yeah,
giving
yeah.
us fantastic job and fantastic roles. Amazing. Of course, OTT का ज़माना है due to pandemic. पहले भी था लेकिन it's just taken a kickstart. So आपके क्या views हैं on the OTT platform considering most of your shows are on OTT now?
Yeah, OTT is like it's like oxygen for actors like me. Otherwise, we would never have found our ground,
True.
because मैंने ऐसा नहीं है टेलीविजन ट्राई नहीं किया था. मैंने टेलीविजन भी बहुत ट्राई किया था, but somehow nothing was clicking for me on television. And films take their own time, to reach to get protagonist parts or to get good parts on films. They have their own journey and they take their own time. In
Hmm.
between, OTT was like a breath of, it was like uh, life for us actors, because we could get better parts, more meatier parts, and the parts that were being offered to us were very layered, जो हम mostly television जैसे medium पे नहीं देखते हैं.
जी.
So I am today talking to you because of OTT medium.
Agree.
And that ये medium अब लोग उतना ही देखते हैं, शायद इतनी पहुंच नहीं है अभी television की तरह इसकी, लेकिन people see the shows and people talk about them, and at least the awareness about these things is a lot. So for me, OTT has been a great boon. I mean, I have a career because of OTT, so I'll always be grateful for this middle path that we've got, you know.
Absolutely.
And from where on factors हम क्या करते हैं इसका फिर.
बिल्कुल. And I think our Middle East maybe everybody started recognizing you because of your shows, and we know you're right. OTT played a major part to bring on amazing actors. So, आपकी inspiration, who was your inspiration? Anybody you thought?
Acting में. I've grown up watching. You know, because I always wanted to be an actor. When I was very young, I was watching a lot of Mr. Bachchan. Then I was watching a lot of Mr. Anil Kapoor. Then Mr. Aamir Khan. So over the years, you know, as an actor, you're always looking for inspiration. अभी मैं देखता हूँ the current crop of actors जो है, they are so dedicated to the craft and they bring out such fine performances. मतलब आप last performances OTT पे देख लो, they are also inspiring. So as an actor, I try and take it from everywhere. There's inspiration and good work happening everywhere. But yeah, my earlier जो कहते हैं ना कि inspiration would be Mr. Bachchan. I saw Hum in a theater in 1991, and trust me, I was. It was like electricity was running through my body when I saw him on screen, and you know the power of cinema really struck me that time. I very clearly remember life.
Wow, amazing! And I clearly remember scene of yours when season 1 khatam ho raha tha. Throughout you were this quiet, shant guy who's not talking, and right towards the end, you know, you just come to save Richa Chadda, and there's a whole new look to you with muscles. I mean, oh my God, what just happened here? I still remember that. You know, I'm like, oh shit, because throughout I'm shant hai, and then you know you just turn the whole thing around in the last few scenes. That was like, I'm like, सारी muscles पहले कहाँ थी?
Muscles थी. Suit में.
I remember you had your shirt on, and it was an awesome scene. Seriously, I think that kind of people were dying to wait. Season 2 के लिए wait कर रहे थे because of that last scene that you turned around.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome. Seriously. Achha. Obviously, the pandemic had hit the industry really bad. So, how are you dealing with it? And जो दूसरे आपके co-stars हैं, I mean, of course, second wave है, but कैसे manage कर?
We are also living and finding out ways to cope with it. There's no ready booklet for us, you know, okay, if a pandemic hits us. I think in our generation, in our lives, this is the big thing that hit us. We're also, I think, going day by day and figuring out how to live and how to make the most of what is available now. As human beings, we have an amazing capacity to adapt. And as an actor, that's what I'm doing. I'm adapting to using the time that I'm getting. There are days when you feel, when will this get over, and when will we go back to, you know, those houseful shows and the you know, the madness that used to be there in our lives. But I think it's important that you see what is available to you right now, what you can make the most of it, and maybe learn thing in this time also, because ये वक्त भी शायद दोबारा नहीं आएगा. इतना ठहरा, इतना समय जो मिल गया है, ये वक्त भी दोबारा नहीं आएगा. So I think I'm just trying to make the most of it, but every day is a new day, and I just hope it's over very quickly.
Yeah, true. Chale, lots of fan questions. Obviously, I would like to take them before किसी के रह नहीं जाए. Inside Edge was a very popular season. Any chance of seeing you in season 3?
Yes, we've already shot season 3, and I think it's going to be out second half of this year. We've already shot it.
Okay.
The post work is on, so इस साल आ जाना चाहिए.
Yes, great. For all those fans who are waiting, especially Rahul, I know you're a big fan. Okay, what's next for Jitin?
So I've done a show called Salt City. It's basically a family drama. there's a marriage and the whole basically family and comes together for a marriage and how things turn out for them. That is coming on Eros now. I don't know the release date as of now, but
Okay.
very interesting part. I have a grey part in that, something that I've never tried and never done before. So that is there. Then I have Salt City will come out. I think I'm assuming again second half of this year.
Okay.
Then there is a period drama that I've done on the life and times of King Chhatrasal. It is basically a story of King Chhatrasal from Bundelkhand and Aurangzeb, Mughal dynasty.
Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah.
There I have a title part. I'm playing King Chhatrasal in that. That should be out again second half of this year. And then there's Inside Edge, which will come out again second half of this year.
So I think second half of the year we'll get to see lots of shows coming in of yours, and so most of them are on OTT platform Eros and also on Prime. Yeah. And the other show that you mentioned, where can the audience watch that?
They're not announced it as yet.
Not announced. Okay. I'm sure when if it's on OTT, we'll manage. Okay, great. Fans, Mani from Dubai. How was your experience working with Sushant Singh Rajput?
I'm asked this question a lot nowadays.
I'm sure.
One of the most intelligent actors I have worked with. Very, very sharp. Very hardworking. You know, somebody. I mean, you don't see such a meteoric rise of an actor in such a short span. And when I worked with him, I came to know that, you know, why is he so successful? Why has he been such a success? Yeah, but the one thing that clearly stands out for me is that he was a very intelligent man. You know, we would be sitting sometimes during our cricket practices and he would be talking about physics. He would be talking about stars and he would be talking about, he would never discuss films actually, which is very, mostly actors discuss films and the business and everything.
True.
He was very intelligent and a good guy. Yeah, I mean,
I'm sure you have a lot of memories with him, I'm sure. So, Sonia, again from Dubai, who is your dream cast to work with?
Dream cast to work with? I would have loved to work with Mr. Irfan Khan. I would have loved to work with all the greats of the industry. I mean, I have done, you know, a lot of TV commercials with a lot of popular actors. I've done a TV commercial with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. I did a Hyundai commercial back. I did a commercial with Mr. Amir Khan, with Madhuri Dixit, and so many others. And I've learned so much from them by just the kind of professionalism and the work ethic they bring to the set. I would love to do, you know, work over a period of time with people, you know, people like these are superstars basically, because there's just so much to learn from them apart from just their craft. They are very good at what they do.
Awesome. Amazing. Sneha from Abu Dhabi. Best time spent on MS Dhoni sets? You did answer something, but maybe some few fun moments.
During Ranchi, you know, that was Sushant's state. So he was very well versed with all the areas and everything. And in the evening, sometimes he would just, he would order for, you know, the local specialities for us, and all of us would be having singhade, samosa ko singhada bolte hain wahan pe. And the best times were all of us together, all the four of us. You know, it's I don't know how to say it. So the four of us, Kranti, me, Alok, Sandeep, we formed a very good bond. And often during our breaks, we would go and just do Gedi there. So those were some best times for us in Ranchi. And Ranchi has a great feel to it also. It's a small city, but very, you know, it's a small town, but a very city vibe to it. So everything, but it still hasn't lost its small townness to it. So we had a good time there. I really liked Ranchi a lot.
Okay, sure, great. Hopefully you'll be doing more shoots there soon. Anu Meha, she wants to wish you advance happy birthday, because your birthday is coming in the next 2-3 days, 8th of April, if I'm right.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so
Thank you.
awesome. So she really wants to wish you a happy birthday, and if you could just shout out her name out for her. Her name is Anu Meha.
Anumeha, thank you so much. Means a lot to me. Thank you for all your wishes and blessings, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Okay, amazing. Okay. Aisha, do you actually play cricket in real life, or are you involved in any kind of tournaments, or what kind of
I am
sports do you enjoy?
mostly I'm into tennis, squash. Uh, I love watching football. Cricket, yes, I love watching it, but I think my education in cricket has been more because I have done Dhoni and done Inside Edge. So yeah, quite well versed with the with that as well.
Awesome. Danish, what's your daily workout routine?
It depends on the kind of part that I'm doing. Currently, the thing that I'm shooting for, it has a lot of action in it. So if I have, let's say, a full day free and I'm mostly doing meetings and not shooting, then in the morning I go for my strength training, and in the evening I have something to do with functional. Either it'll be a running session or a boxing session or a martial arts or something like that. So the idea is to build on strength, but at the same time not lose on flexibility and the workability of your body. So yeah.
Exactly. So I think सब चीज कुछ छोड़ा है आपने? Everything is done. Okay. I think a lot of guys going to be watching that. Yasmin, what's your favorite quote that you live by? A quote. For example, for me, it's like live and let live.
Handsome is what handsome does.
And so, oh, okay. New one. Amazing. Acha, Rahul, he's one of your biggest fans. Your
Thank you.
character in Inside Edge at Pritish, how did you prepare for that role?
You know, I got finalized for that part 4 days before the shoot.
Oh,
So
oh, wow.
we were shooting season 1 in August, and I got finalized for it 4 days before the shoot. So for me, my preparation was mostly while I was doing the shoot. Of course, you read the script and you
Hmm.
figure out the ticket and you read as much as you can. But I went along with what the directors had to say, and plus the showrunner and the directors, Karan and Guru, they are cricket fanatics, so they have a
Okay.
very good idea. So they were my able support during the whole thing. But yeah, I jumped into it straight away. I got the show and I jumped into it 4 days later on.
And did you even realize then कि मतलब you're going to be touching the skies as in all over, even Middle East and Pakistan? I think people are just going crazy over the show.
No, but because that was the first show, तब तो OTT था ही नहीं ना.
बिल्कुल.
About 2016, we were shooting season 1 in 2016. At
जी.
that point, Amazon,
It was not exactly
India,
इतना नहीं था.
तो तब तो नहीं पता था. I did it because the people involved in it were very, very, they are some of the best people in the business. Excel was
Hmm.
producing it.
Hmm.
Amazon was coming into India with that show. And the talent involved, like it had Richa Chadda, Vivek Oberoi, stars. So for me, it was a very
Pankaj Bedi,
easy.
I think the whole cast was very, very good. Yeah.
All of them, known people, good actors. It was a very easy yes for me because I was working with people I can look up to and learn from. So for me, it was an easy yes. But yeah, tab nahi pata tha kya hoga. I mean, OTT has boomed in the last 2-3 years only.
Exactly. And I think जो last year का lockdown just blew over the top, and everybody was on OTT. So
I mean, nobody knew that happened. Nobody assumed that this is how the trends will change, and the whole population will be watching things on OTT. What has happened is unprecedented.
exactly. Okay, Ibrahim, what advice would you give to the new actors who are struggling or trying to enter the industry, like the youngsters?
Um, Giving advice is always the biggest advice would be come into the industry for the right reasons. If you are coming into the industry for fame and money, uh, it won't happen. It won't last long. You need to be very, very sure why you want to be an actor. And once you're here and you know why you want to be an actor, have patience. It is nobody becomes an overnight star. Nobody,
True.
becomes an overnight success. Behind every overnight as there's 15 years, 20 years of pure hard work and grit.
बिल्कुल.
And work on yourself. You never know, the bigger opportunity will be tomorrow for you, but you got to be ready for it. So always work on your craft. You can never be complacent in the business because you're always being watched.
True, true. Exactly. Chale, we're done with this. So there's a quick round that we usually play, which is rapid fire. So I'll give you one word, and whatever comes to your head, you can throw it back at me.
I'm very
बहुत
bad.
easy है.
Wow.
So, okay, awesome. Sports,
Discipline.
acting,
The love of my life.
family,
The best support in my life.
fitness,
Necessity.
music,
Oh,
सुनते तो होंगे आप गाने.
of course. Music to matlab, music is like life. There is no life without music.
True, so true. Travel,
Adventure, and I think seeking. I like to seek things while you travel. I mostly travel with work, but there's much you receive every time you travel, every time you go out of your comfort zone or out of Bombay. So I think seeking is something that I look at travel as.
okay. Entertainment,
Profession.
profession. Awesome. That was so great. You were so good. मुझे थोड़ा और prepare करके आना चाहिए था. You're better than me. Amazing. Before I take your leave, anything you'd like to say to your fans? And there's lots of fan following of yours in Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi. If you're familiar with the states here, we have about 7 states. Yes, बहुत सारे fans हैं आपके.
The banking days, I've traveled a lot to Dubai, UAE, Sharjah. We had our branches there, so I used to handle that area, UAE, for the bank. So I've been to
Oh
Dubai.
wow, that's so good. Okay.
And first of all, I'm very thankful to you for doing this, for getting me closer to the people, who see my work. So thank you so much to you, first of all. Thank you to all the people who are writing in. I'm looking at the messages, and it's because of all of you that we are here. I mean, while we go out and work and live our passion, I won't do that if it was not for you people. So thank you so much for watching our work, for appreciating us, for giving us the bouquets and brickbats. I wish whatever you guys want in your life, I genuinely hope it comes true for all of you. It's one life, and you should live exactly the way you want to. And lastly, yourself. These are testing times. Take care of yourself physically and take care of yourself mentally. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Pritesh, so much for this. It was a fun interview, and inshallah, whenever you're visiting next, would love to meet you in Dubai.
My pleasure, totally. Thank you so much for having me.
Take care. Look after yourself. Take care. Bye. Bye.